Oh, nice, oh. Where's the egg, Aleida? Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Where's the egg? Huh? Those are not egg. There you go. Sunny side up egg. 2 glasses, huh? Nice, huh? Ooh, what is that? A basket? Yeah. Very nice, huh? Where are the hot dogs? The hot dogs. Very good, Markslin. Mugs? Yeah. Aleida, oh. Hey, is that a cash register? A cash register playset. Very nice, ah. Ooh, food. Food playsets. Ooh, pizza. Pizza, Markslin, oh. Cakes. Cakes and donuts. And cupcakes. Very good, ah. Ooh. Yeah. Where are the chocolates? Chocolates. There you go. Bananas. Where are the bananas? Markslin, bananas. Where's the corn? Corn. There you go. Very good, Markslin. Ready, Aleida? Excited? I know, huh? What are you wearing, Markslin? Ooh, a stethoscope. Very nice. Have you seen Maya and Markslin?
No.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Aleida, where are they? Huh? Oh, found you, Maya. Found you, Aleida. Found you, Markslin. Found you, guys. Found you.
No, I'm a box.
You're the boss?
I'm a box.
Oh, you're a box?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are the kids? Where is Markslin? Where is Maya? Where is Aleida? Oh, there they are. Found you, Aleida. Found you, Maya. Found you. Found you, guys. Cash register, oh. Let's unbox it first. Very nice, Aleida, oh. You like it? Color pink. Oh, there's a mic. There's a microphone. Oh, there's a basket, oh, full of groceries. Yeah. Oh, let's unbox it, Aleida. You want to unbox it? Oh, come on. Mommy, come on, let's unbox this.
No! Daddy!
Let's check down on the back of the box. Ooh, you can talk on the microphone. There's a scanner. The cash register opens. Very nice, oh. What was it, Maya?
This is the secret code.
Secret code?
Hey, Daddy! 8 plus 7 0 0
What, Markslin?
dot
I
equal
know,
equal
right?
equal on of ice. I mean CE.
Oh, come on, Mommy. Oh, there's a conveyor belt, oh. A conveyor belt.
Yeah.
Just like, ano, in the real grocery, Maya. Yay! A basket full of goodies.
Yeah. This is my tiny little basket.
There's a bottle of water, oh. Money, oh. Money and credit cards. And the key for the cash register. Nice, ah. Huh? Whoa, goodies.
I get goodies. Googies. Why did I say googies?
Goodies.
Oh, wait. Later.
Mommy's gonna get something.
Alina, this is mine.
Share, guys. No fighting, no fighting. Who's gonna be the cashier? Maya's gonna be the cashier. Mommy, put batteries. Money! Coins! Yay! Coins, Aleida. A bottle of water. Yeah. Yay! It works, Maya. You can talk on the mic, on the microphone.
Where's the mic? This is my... Hello. Whoa.
A scanner.
Okay.
Hey, that's that. Wait, it's not sharing.
You share, Aleida. You share.
Sister, Maya.
Yay, I did it.
Mm.
5 equals.
Scanner, oh.
Maya.
A scanner. Points, Markslen. Money, money.
How do this one do this one?
You scan it.
Oh, here.
This room. This is the green.
That's where you put the grocery.
This is
The grocery
green
stuff.
section. My bag.
Aleida has the key.
Okay.
Open the cash register.
Open, please.
That's where you put the money.
And
Put it in, Maya, the key.
Daddy. Daddy.
Money, Markslen. Yeah. Money, money.
This is
The cash register is open. Money, money, coins. Paper money.
we just put coins in here.
You put the paper money on the left side in here, Maya.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah, that's where you put the paper money.
Yeah.
Go on.
Hey, that's the wrong side, Alita.
That's where you put the paper money. Mommy, can you press those numbers?
Okay.
It really works, see?
Oh, yeah.
It's like a real calculator.
Where's
right.
the equal sign? There.
Okay, 10 plus 10, Mommy.
Alright, hold on.
Go demonstrate.
10 plus 10 equals 20.
12.
Huh?
100.
What?
Huh?
What?
Mommy?
10.
Mommy, 10 plus 10 is 20, not 100. Did you do times?
Yeah.
10 times 10 is 100. Yeah, there you go.
10
Oh, Mommy, 10 plus 10.
Alright. Hold on.
equals 20.
10 plus 10. There you go. 20.
Mine.
Don't lose the key, guys.
The keyboard.
It's very important.
Daddy.
You have money, Markslen. Yeah. Where's the credit card?
You gotta put this in right.
There you go, the yellow one. Yeah, that's a credit card. Credit card, Smart Bank, Visa. Credit card, oh. Okay, grocery time. Pick the box that you want, Markslen. And then bring it to the cashier, Maya. What box do you want? What playset do you want, Markslen?
Which one? Which one? This one?
You like that one? Oh, Maya, can you scan it, please?
Okay.
He's gonna pay for it. Where's your money, Markslen?
$1,000.
Scan it first.
Where is it? Here, Maya.
Okay.
Scan it. There you go.
It costs $10,000, Marksman.
Oh, type it, Maya. Put it in the cash register. 10,000. What the?
There.
That's more than 10,000.
Oh, it costs that much.
Okay, Markslen, pay Maya. Where's your money? There you go, Maya.
Now, I use my key.
Press
You
open.
want key? Wait, I know how to do this.
Oh, Mommy, you talk.
Hello. Marcelin. Aleida.
Hey, Daddy.
Maya, you talk, on the mic.
Hey, Daddy. Hello. Daddy.
See?
Daddy.
You're gonna pay for those, Markslen? Mommy, can you help Maya open the cash register? There you go, Maya. I told you to press open.
Daddy. Daddy.
There you go.
Okay,
Oh, Markslen, your change.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
A cow. Yeah,
Here's
a
your
cow.
change.
Your change, Markslen.
Oh, by the way, I'm keeping this too.
Hey, that's Markslen's. He bought that. I want to see the money.
I'm keeping my money.
Maybe
Coins.
like to open.
Paper money. Paper play money. Paper play money. You need to pay for this first, Aleida.
Yeah.
You need to pay for this.
Where's your money, baby?
You're gonna pay for those, Markslen?
Please.
Oh, bring it to to the cash register.
Maybe tatay.
Pay for those stuff. There you go, Maya. She's paying.
That will be costing $33.
$33? There you go, Aleida.
Wait, you need a change. Here's your change.
I want to buy this strawberry cake.
Hello, sir.
Onto the conveyor belt. Ay, Maya. How much?
Okay, hold on, sir. Need to scan it.
Mommy.
Okay.
How much?
$10.
Okay. I'm gonna use my credit card.
Wait. Okay.
Open.
Alright.
Yay. Swipe my credit card. There you go. Swipe it again. Swipe it again. There you go.
Okay.
What does it show, Mommy, when you swipe it?
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Oh, it goes back to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, give me back my credit card.
Change.
Ah! Okay. Cash back. Okay, cash back. Okay, thank you.
I am a good.
Yay!
I feel like
There's a conveyor belt, oh. Someone wants to talk? Okay, Mommy, you can talk now.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for shopping.
Yay! Which one, Maya? Which one first?
cheese.
Oh, the one with chocolates. Okay, go on, Mommy. Food, playset.
Yeah, Daddy.
We're gonna play cooking. Food, playset. Ooh, French fries, oh.
Daddy. Daddy.
Chocolate bars.
Daddy.
You like that one? Okay.
French fries and chocolate bar.
Fruits and veggies. Huh? A cow? Oh.
These are from my son. Nobody can steal them.
A lot of food, no? Don't lose the key! Mommy, don't lose the key. Put it back. A what? Oh, you can open it. What's that? Can I see the cover? No. The cover. Oh, yogurt. Oh, what's this? Oh, tomatoes. It's a ketchup. Oh, here, Maxton.
This is mine.
Okay.
Close the Mommy. There you go. Ooh. A potato. A carrot. What's this, Mommy? Asparagus. Donut? A donut?
Yum.
What do you have, Aleida? What's that, an orange? Yeah, orange.
Oh, this is
Ooh, a red bell pepper. Grapes. What's this, Mommy?
Peas.
Ooh, green peas. A cucumber? Okay. What's next, Maya?
mine. This one.
Oh, give it to me.
Mine.
Pizza playset. A pizza playset.
No, but
Okay, Mommy, you know what to do.
chocolate and
Oh, there's a Barbie doll picture, oh. A pretty Barbie doll picture. Whoa! Pizza! Who wants pizza? Pizza. Ooh.
Oh yes, this is what I
Oh my goodness.
all day.
Okay.
Daddy.
Pizza.
Daddy.
Put it on the plate, Maya.
Hey, Daddy. Hold on. Daddy.
What? A ball? That's orange.
This one's mine too. Daddy.
2 pizzas?
We're getting
3 pizzas?
Lily.
Huh? You're going to eat everything, Maya?
Yeah, nobody can have this.
Maya is going to eat all the pizzas. All the pizza.
You're all mine. I'll put this here. And
You're going to cut some veggies.
Yeah.
That's a chopping board, Aleida. See? Mommy's cutting a carrot,
So, these are
into
all
small
mine.
pieces.
Alright.
Every time on here's my.
Those are all yours, Maya? Mmm.
Wait, I don't need this.
You're a big eater, huh, Maya?
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, that.
What's that? Orange juice? Yummy.
Hey, Mom's
Oh, what's
turn.
next, Maya? What's next? Ooh, guys, so look, oh. Cakes, cupcakes, donuts,
Let's
and
open it.
bread.
Ooh, you forgot to say donuts.
I said donuts.
You forgot to
I
say
forgot.
plates.
Okay, plates. And cups. Spoons.
And your face.
A cake slicer. Nice, yummy dessert. Go, mommy, unbox.
Pineapple.
Here we go, guys. Yay!
Wow! I want to give me
Who is hungry for cakes? You?
Hey.
What?
Maya.
Oh yeah.
Maya has a big appetite, as you can see. She has a very big appetite. Ooh, strawberry cake, oh.
And a little
Strawberry cake and
donut.
pizza.
Oh.
What flavor is the donut, Maya?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay.
I like chocolate.
Ooh, plates so Aleida, oh. Plates for Aleida.
No, my
Yours?
red.
Green, color green for Markslen.
Green. Marshall likes the color green.
A what, Markslen? A biscuit? Those are all yours.
Like
Yeah.
biscuit. Ta-da!
Markslen has a big appetite too, as you can
Hey,
see.
Look at mine. It's a bigger appetite.
Huh? Oh my goodness! That's a lot of food, Maya.
Yep, I'm gonna
Too
eat
much.
them all.
You're gonna get fat. Do you want to get fat?
I don't know. Oh,
Huh?
this one has a lot of yellow. It's about the color yellow, my food.
A lot of Hulyan's favorite color.
No.
His favorite color is yellow. Yeah.
Well, it's pretend they're all pink. Pretend they're all blue.
This one is next. There's an egg, oh. Maya's favorite egg. Sunny side up egg. Huh? Aleida likes egg. Okay. Go, mommy, unbox. Huh? Big? A big potato? Okay. Go, mommy. Go, Maya. Go on. Wait. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
Maya.
What are you doing, Maya? Why did you put a French fry in that glass?
Because
And you put a donut on the top.
it's yummy to eat it like
Crazy, Maya.
This is my deluxe. That's what you have. You have nothing.
Sunny side up egg.
Yeah, but you like mine. It's a beautiful sky. Yeah.
Ooh, a grill? Is this a grill?
Yeah.
A grill, right?
Wait, that's not. Okay.
Oh, come on, Sunny side, oh, okay, hot dogs for Maya. And sunny side up egg. Fry it, mommy.
Daddy! Hey, Daddy!
Frying pan. With cover. Okay.
That's the
A red bell pepper. Mommy's chopping it. A yellow banana. A bread.
This is my turn.
That's a lot of food, Maya.
Hey, Mason, can you cool
Okay, fry that egg, mommy.
Close your eyes, Mommy.
And those hot dogs.
Wow.
You wanna put some salt?
What?
Salt on it?
Hey.
This?
And pepper. There you go. Oh, Maya, oh, your favorite egg.
Oh, yay.
Egg for Maya. What's that? Grapes? Yay, grapes. Haha. Oh, Mommy's gonna cook the now? Green peas. Yay, green peas. Where's the cover, Mommy?
Wait.
Okay, salt and pepper.
Hey.
Asparagus and green peas. Cooking. Okay, the last playset. Ooh, muffins, oh. I see a cow, oh. Moo. I know, Markson, oh. There's a cow. You see it? I'll go, Mommy, unbox. Oh, wait. Okay, go on. That's a lot of food, Maya.
Yep.
Maya has a super big, humongous appetite.
And then this got to go.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy!
Yeah. Oh, you need to scan those, Markslin, one by one. Those items.
Big.
Too big, a lot of stuff.
And don't forget.
Ooh, Aleida, oh. Yay, cookies, cupcakes, and croissants for Aleida. Share, guys. Share.
I want this one.
Okay, cups, plates. Ooh, another sunny side up egg. Oh, there's a burner. There you go.
Hey, Daddy.
Utensils. Okay, utensils.
Hey, Daddy.
Knives and forks. And spoons.
Hey, Maximo.
Aleida, oh, she's frying the sunny side up egg.
Yeah.
Frying the egg. Very good, Aleida.
Wait.
Mommy, what are you doing?
Put it here, baby.
Nom, 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 nom.
What are you eating, Maxlen? What's that? Ooh, cheese! Yay, cheese! Yummy. Okay, all the playsets are unboxed. Nothing is left. Everything is on the floor.
Mine is the best one. You have
Yeah.
drink and this, and you can also eat them.
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Nice, huh?
I'm just gonna grab some. Hey, Daddy, I'm gonna eat this.
Okay, go on. Ready? Go!
Ooh, that's a lot.
Strawberry cake! Ooh, that's nice. There's a Velcro, Maya. Maya, the slicer, oh. Yay!
Here we go.
Hey, Mommy,
Yeah.
these are my favorite type of toys. They're like, I don't know.
Very nice, no, Maya. There you go.
Wait, again,
Hey!
and you get
Why are you throwing the cakes?
and
That's for you. That's you have to. Oh, you eat those too. Oh, Mommy's organizing, oh. Good job, Mommy. That's the right thing to do. Organize. Cupcake! Cupcake.
Mommy gets pizza.
Mommy organizing, oh.
And I get pizza.
Ooh, 2 cakes for Markslen.
Pizza, Aleida. Yum, yum, yum.
Pizza for Aleida. Ay, she doesn't like pizza.
Okay.
This one's mine.
Here, Aleida.
That's
Okay.
okay.
Oh, organize, Mommy, organize.
Right.
Max and Elena gets to have.
Oh, Mommy, oh, cut the bread. There you go. Yay! Pizza, 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 pizza.
You get it. Here, take two. Hey, Daddy. That's two pizzas.
A lot of food, huh? I see a lot of food. Maya, stop throwing.
Giving this to people.
What are you doing, Maya? Getting crazy again?
A person that can eat all these pizzas.
Mommy.
What?
Look, wait. Alida! One person can eat this. What?
Egg.
Me.
This is your egg, baby.
A person has a basket.
Looks yummy, Alida.
Oh, mommy's gonna ano, oh.
Ayan.
She's grocery shopping.
Yeah, banana.
I have the key.
She's doing her ano, grocery thing.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, the basket is full. Yay.
Now you have to give it to me and I'll eat it. Oh!
Yay! Goodies, goodies. Goodies, goodies. Time to cut. Time to cut the cake. Yay. Yay. Cake for Aleda.
Hey. Yay. Yeah. Here, Alida.
3 slices of cake for Aleda.
And
The bread.
yummy.
Barbie, kitchen, and tea set. Okay. 6
Ow.
minus 6 is equals to 0. 2 times 2 is uh-oh. 4. Money, money, money. Yay. What?
I'm gonna get a new life vest
For Marksland? Okay. Sunny side up egg, please.
Hey.
There you go. Hey, French fries. Fry those French fries for me. Egg? Okay. Egg for Aleda. French fries. Uh-oh. No more burner.
Hulyan
And
Maya.